Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem on your Windows desktop or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your mouse wheel is not working properly, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first what you can check is you have to check whether your mouse is cleaned or not, because due to dust problem you can face this type of issue. So you have to just open your mouse and clean that wheel. After that, refix and check whether it is working properly or not. And the second one you can try is just you can disconnect the mouse and connect it to different USB port, because due to USB port issue you can face this type of issue. After doing this both still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings, then in left side you will find Bluetooth and device. Click on that. Come to the right side, here you will find mouse. Click on that. You can see scrolling. Under scrolling you will find some options. First one is roll the mouse wheel to scroll. You have to just click on this first option, multiple lines at a time. The second one is line to scroll at a time. You can set as per your choice how many lines you want to scroll at a time, 3, 4 or 2. And you can see scroll inactive window when hovering over them. You have to just disable this option. After scroll in direction, you have to just click on this and select down motion scroll down. In this you can see some related setting, additional mouse setting. Click on that. If this option is not working, not this one, if this option is not working, additional mouse setting, then what you have to do, you have to just click on the search, then type your control panel. Click on the control panel. You have to select as large icon. Here you will need to find mouse. Click on the mouse. Then this window will be opened. Here just you have to click on this wheel, then you can set as per your choice the following number of lines at a time. Tilt the wheel to scroll the following number of characters at a time. Just set as per your choice, then click OK. After doing still you are facing the issue, then you have to just update your mouse driver, or after updating still it is not working, then you have to update your Windows. For updating your mouse driver, you have to just open the device manager. Here you have to find mice and other pointing devices. You can select your mouse, right click on that, click on update driver, click on search automatically for the drivers. If this option is not working, then you have to update your Windows. Click on start, click on settings, then click on update Windows. Then your PC will start to the update. After completion of this update, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix mouse wheel scrolling problem on your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.